Hello friends, this video we are going to look how we can get running total for the sales figure. Okay, this will be the detail of the report. From this report, each and every product code, okay, that is order number, we need to accumulate for the previous figure. That is what we are going to look in this video, how we can do it. Okay, so it's not required any formulas. What you need to do, in a one click we are going to check for running total. Just you can select as a whole table, go to insert and click for pivot table. Okay, now I'm selecting for existing worksheet. In a sense, same worksheet, just you can click anywhere, any one cell, then click as OK. Right now it's available for 3 field. For the plain name you can select as row, as well as for sales figure you can select a sum of value. Okay, and 2 times you can select for sum up value. The first sales figure will be the total, and second one we are converting into a running total. So what you need to do, from the second sales figure, the first cell you can keep it and right click, show value as, you can click, and from there it is showing for running total in, right? Once you are clicking this one, it will open for one pop-up box. It will ask you the base field will be client name. Just you can click as OK. Now you can look here, all the figures will be converted into running total. Okay, so this is a way, in a one click you can identify the running total of a mass detail as a mass data. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe and follow this channel and suggest to your friend also. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.